Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian markets and the euro fell sharply Monday as a controversial bank bailout in Cyprus brought concerns about euro's debt crisis back to the fore. Cyprus proposed a tax on the country's bank depositor to decrease the cost of the bailout, which if passed by parliament would mark the first time that such a strategy has been implemented during the 5-year eurozone crisis. The move may erode savers' confidence across the currency bloc and add to popular anger over the handling of the crisis. Strength in the yen weighed down on Japanese stocks. The Nikkei stock average was down 2.5%. Stocks in China were lower, though the reaction was more extreme in Hong Kong, where the Hang Seng Index lost 2.2%. Diminished concerns over Europe have been a major support for risk assets such as Asian stocks and currencies in recent months. So far this year, the troubled continent has already weighed on sentiment once when fears of a political stalemate in Italy prompted selling in the region, which was another reminder that Europe is still able to rattle global markets. The euro fell against the US dollar early Monday, with a single currency recently at 1.2905 compared with 1.3076 late Friday in New York. The yen also resumed its role as a safe haven asset as it strengthened against the US dollar. The greenback was recently at 94.74 yens compared with 95.25 late Friday. Today's key data points include the second release of Italian trade balance and trade balance for Eurozone for February. Eurozone trade balance 10 GMT. The Eurozone increased its trade surplus in December to 11.7 billion euros from 10.5 billion registered in November. The reading was better than the 10.07 billion surplus projected by analysts. The trade surplus of Europe's largest exporter, Germany, edged up in the first 11 months of 2012 to almost 175 billion euros from 145 billion a year earlier. But the biggest improvement was in Italy, which soared to a 9 billion euro surplus in the first 11 months of 2012 from a deficit of almost 27 billion euros a year earlier. A decline to 3.4 billion is forecasted this time. It was the latest market news provided by ICA FX. Goodbye.